So I'm going to tell you that how can we remove Python from your MacBook Air. So let's first check what version I have, Python 3 dash dash version. So I just installed Python 3.11.2. So this is the version which we see here in the application here, that we will see the Python here. So what we do generally, we remove from here. So if I'll go ahead and remove from here, move to bin, so it will ask for my password. So I've removed that, but see, if I'll check that the version of Python, it will still be the same. It has not completely removed. If I'll go and check pip version, so it is still there, right? So it is showing the pip version is there and it is located here. So what we need to do to completely remove here, we can see here the path is showing. We can go to the library framework. So what we need to go from Finder, go to this option, click on computer, and from there you can choose your hard disk. Here you will see there is a library. On the library you will see the framework, right? So in the framework you can see the Python framework. So you need to just go ahead and remove this folder. So you will see here, let me show you, there are all the things here, the Python version and all. So on version you will see 3.11. So either you can remove from here, or it's the best just go ahead and remove from here, right? Framework, python.framework, move to bin, enter your password, and done. Now if I'll go ahead and check my Python version, it is showing 3.9.6. So this version which comes with the MacBook itself, so this is the version which is showing here. If we check where this Python is installed, so we can check pip is 3 version, then we will find the root. So this version is stored in library developer command line. So if we'll go ahead and the same go to computer, we will see here, go to library. Here which option it is showing here under the developer. So we have to go to developer or de developer. Under developer we have command line. Under the command line we have library. Under library we have a framework. In the framework Python.3 framework, right? This is the framework which here. So here we can see the version 3.9, 3.8. So this is the inbuilt installation. So we do not have to do anything. So again, if we have to install, we can go, I have a package here. So I can go and install it again. Follow the steps. Install, enter your password. Now it is going to install. So once it will get installed, it will now we will see that the version will get updated here. Now currently the version which is showing here Python, it is 3.11 now. So it got installed. It is still installing here, but it got updated in the system. So it means that the Python has successfully installed. Let's see here. Python 3.11, it is the application which is showing here. So this has been done now. Now it is done. Now if I check the pip version, it is also 22.3.1, and earlier pip was 21, which was come inbuilt with the MacBook. So this is how we can completely remove and add Python. So it's happened with that developer that many times we get stuck with the many libraries, and also we can completely remove and install the fresh version, and we can start working it. So all the library, all the dependency will get away. So thank you for watching. Have a blessed day.